Welcome to the Crew Punch app, designed to streamline the process of submitting employee punches in group or bulk and transferring them between projects and tasks. Let's walk you through how easy it is to use. To get started, click on the Start Project button. Here, you can select the type of project. For now, we'll choose Select Employees. When you click Add Employees, you'll see a list of available employees. Select the employees you'd like to assign to the project. You can choose as many as you need. Once you've selected your employees, the date and time will automatically populate with the current time, but you can easily adjust these fields to your needs. Next, you'll select the project and task from the drop-down menus. This will assign the employees to the correct project and task. Once everything's good to go, click Save. Now let's head over to the Manage Project button. Here, you'll see all your submitted projects. If you select the project you just created, you'll see the status says Success, meaning all employees have been successfully assigned to the project and task. To transfer employees between tasks, click on the Action button and choose Transfer. The project will already be populated, meaning your employees will stay within the same project. If you need to transfer them to a different task, just select the new task. You also have the option to change the project as well. Add employees that need to be transferred and hit Save. If you're working with the same group of employees on a daily basis, you can save time by adding them to a group. Simply select the group instead of choosing individual employees each time. The rest of the process remains the same. Thanks for watching, and we hope this demo helps you simplify your workflow.